Hey everyone, welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make Scotch eggs. A Scotch egg is a whole egg wrapped in sausage meat, coated in breadcrumbs and deep fried. To get started, fill a pot with water and bring to a boil. Once the water is boiled, add 4 eggs. Cover the pot and boil the eggs for 6 to 7 minutes. This will get you a soft boiled egg, but if you want hard boiled, cook for 10 to 12 minutes. When the timer is up, add the eggs to an ice water bath to stop them from cooking further. Add 14 ounces of ground pork to a bowl, along with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 teaspoons of sage, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Give it a mix until everything is combined. Then divide the mixture into 4. Now peel all 4 eggs. Now we're ready for assembly. Put a piece of saran wrap on a clean work surface and flatten the pork with your hands. Dry off the egg with a paper towel before adding it to the pork. Lift up the pork with your hand under the saran wrap and add the egg in the center. Carefully wrap the pork around the egg. The pork doesn't stick to the egg, so it's a little hard to do, but you'll get there eventually. Seal the ends together and make sure the egg isn't showing through in any spots. Continue for the rest of the eggs. To set up the breading station, add a quarter cup of flour to a bowl, whisk 1 egg into another bowl, and add half a cup of panko to another. Working with 1 egg at a time, roll the egg into the flour until completely covered. Then dip in the egg, making sure it's completely covered again. And lastly, the panko. Make sure the panko is completely covering the egg. Repeat for the rest of the eggs. Heat a fryer to 350 Fahrenheit and fry each egg until golden brown. These things are so big they didn't fit in my fryer, so I had to turn them to evenly cook. Place them on a wire rack to drain and cool. And that's it! Cut the egg in half to reveal your creation. Serve with your choice of dip or eat without. You really don't need anything because the pork is so flavorful, and the yolk is a dip itself. They do pair very well with mustard though. And I use Laogan Ma. So delicious! Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!